how to delete your PSN account in Android. This will also work for PC. So let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do is tap on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of your screen. Then go to support section, tap on support. Here you have to search for delete account. Then here options will appear. How do I close my account? So you can't close it by yourself. You have to contact them for it. So tap on this contact us options, and here scroll down and go to account and security options. Then here you'll find the option of device deactivation. So simply tap on it, and then here you will find informations to contact them, and from here you can contact them and write them for deactivation account. I hope this video will help you out to delete your PSN account. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in the next video.